cosine.
Understanding the stoplight display. This video covers the basic setup and operation of your cosine stoplight display using the IR remote control. The stoplight device controls up to 3 single-color, red, yellow, or green traffic lights. Lights are available in 8-inch and 4-inch sizes. The on, off, or flashing state of each red, yellow, or green light can be controlled individually with either the IR remote, network controller, or circuit board push buttons. Additional settings for brightness and flashing rate apply to all lights and are available to be set only with a remote or network controller. All settings are saved to onboard flash memory, so they are automatically restored after a power outage. Startup sequence. When power is first applied, the stoplight controller runs a startup sequence. First, all LED lights illuminate briefly. This confirms that all lights are powered and functioning. Next, all lights will flash up to 5 times. The number of flashes indicates the current device address. Finally, the last known operating state is restored. Any lights that were active when the sign powered down will be active again at the same brightness and flash rate. Controlling stoplights with your IR remote. While standing within 10 feet of the front of your sign, point the remote toward the IR receiver located in the lower right-hand corner of your sign. When pressing any remote button, press and release the selected button quickly. Selecting a stoplight display. Cosine signs are designed to accommodate control of up to 50 devices with a single remote. To select the stoplight device, press the next or previous button to navigate to the various devices on your sign. Each device will respond by flashing off and on to signal that it has been selected and is awaiting input from the remote. When your stoplight has been selected, all attached lights will flash on and off together. Your sign is checking up to 50 unique addresses looking for the next active device. Once all the lights have flashed, your stoplight is selected and you are ready to configure it. Choosing the active lights. Your remote has red, yellow, green, and rate buttons. Press the button that matches the color of the light you would like to configure. Each press of the button cycles the corresponding light through the following states. Press the red button to cycle from on to off. Press red button again to cycle to flashing 1. Press red button again to cycle to flashing 2. Press red button to cycle back to the off state. The red, yellow, and green stoplights work in the same manner. Adjusting stoplight flashing rate. To adjust the speed at which lights flash, first ensure that at least one light is flashing. If no lights are currently flashing, you will not see the rate changes take effect. If no lights are flashing, press the color button associated with the light you wish to control until it begins to flash. Now press the rate button to cycle through the available speed options. Cycle the selected stoplight from slow to medium, and then to fast, then cycling back to slow. Separate flashing states allow you to configure alternating flashing lights. Adjusting red to flashing 1 and yellow to flash 2 will result in the red and yellow lights alternating. For example, setting both red and green to flashing 1 will result in both lights flashing at the same time. With the yellow light set to flashing 2 and a higher flashing rate, not something you would normally do, but is very attention-getting. Adjusting brightness. To adjust the brightness of all lights, first ensure you have at least one light turned on. You may press any number button from 1 to 9 to adjust the brightness of all stoplights. 1 will set all lights to the dimmest possible setting and 9 will set all lights to the brightest setting.
Congratulations, we're all done. Your display is fully programmed. Store the remote in an accessible location and enjoy watching your display. If you need more help, please visit us at www.cosine.com. For written instructions and links to additional resources, please see the Quick Links section in the left-hand sidebar on our homepage.